Hello Firebirds, and welcome to your course registration for next year's classes. All of the information that we cover today is going to be on our website. So if you can't find some of the resources, you can go to our website and find them. So I'm starting on the early college high school page, and I'm going to scroll down and find the academic advising and counseling resources. And then we will go down here to the high school course catalog and the registration forms. So we're starting with part 1 of registration today, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate for 9th grade. So here's the 9th grade registration form, and like I said, this is part 1. What you are going to do with this form is choose your classes. So you will browse the classes, and in the end, you are going to choose 18 classes, and you'll indicate that by making 18 check marks. Okay, and then you will have 4 alternates, and those are usually in the areas of electives. So I just want to point out some of the classes that you have to choose as a 9th grader. Every 9th grader needs to choose English, either traditional or honors. Every 9th grader needs math, and you'll go into the next class so long as you pass the current one that you were in. If you were choosing, you'll choose traditional or honors. And for both English and math, if you're choosing honors, you will additionally need a teacher signature for both of those. Every 9th grader needs a history class. And here will be the one place that you choose between either a high school history class or an Ames college history class. And we'll talk more about the college classes a little bit later. You'll need a science. I'm going to skip Spanish for a minute. You will need PE and you will need ICAP. So those are the 6 classes that are required for freshmen. English, math, history, science, PE, and ICAP. Spanish, although it's over here kind of near the required, we strongly encourage Spanish for our college-bound students. However, it is not a requirement to graduate. So this is an important conversation to have with your adult at home and decide, do I want to start getting my Spanish credit? Do I want to keep those doors open for college admissions? Or is there a reason why I don't want to take Spanish? And then, so you should have, if you include Spanish, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 check marks. That leaves 4 check marks for over here in the elective area. So you get to choose 4 electives. Please notice that things like labs, teacher aid, study hall are included on the electives. So however you're going to use your 4 additional check marks, you want to include study hall or any of those other things that you're interested in. So when you're looking at this form, and if you're like, I don't really understand what that class might be about, or you're having trouble deciding, you'll go back to our website and you're going to click on the Early College High School Course Catalog. And in this document, you will find all of the descriptions for every single course that we offer. So that's a great resource for you to use to choose the classes and get an idea. You can, of course, if it's a class that we currently offer, you can talk to the current teacher, but it might be something that we're newly offering next year, in which case you're going to want to read the course description. So we go through, I don't want to make us dizzy here, every single subject area. So it started with language arts, now we have math, and it goes on and on. So the last thing that you need to do for part 1 of your course registration is get all your signatures. So teacher signature, again, if you're taking honors classes, parent or guardian signature up here, and then you are going to turn this form into the high school office. Before you do that, you'll do part 2.